Hi everybody, it's Amalia and I'm here today with the monthly goals collab for 2020. This is a monthly collab where me and 18 other YouTubers talk about their crafty goals for the year 2020. Take a look in the description bar below at the end of this video and you'll see all the collabers, and you can go ahead and check out their goals and see how they're doing. Now I'm going to try and make this quick as possible because I shut off the air conditioner and the fan so there isn't that much noise while I'm talking. So cross your fingers everybody and give me a thumbs up while you're at it. So for my goals for the year, I have 4 collabs that I'm in for the entire year. Show us your sheet load. That went off without a hitch. I made 6 cards and I'm at 57 out of a total of 100 cards that I'd like to see completed by the end of the year. So that basically means I need to do about 8 cards a month. And if they're going to be, if the sheet loads are going to be for 6 cards every month, and I might need to double on a couple of months to make sure that I get to the desired amount of 100. But my goal is basically just to be into the collabs. And then I added the 100 cards as a sort of thing just to shoot for. The Smash That Small paper pad collab with Deb Hoke. I'm still working on the second paper pad. I made 25 cards in July. I'll be working on that paper pad again in August, and hopefully I'll be able to finish it in August, because then that'll give me September, October to do the fall paper pad that I'm planning on, and November, December to do the Christmas winter holiday paper pad that I'm planning on. For my jewelry collab, also with Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage, let's see, I have made 8 pieces in July, so that leaves me with a total of 22 pieces. And it was unplanned, but it worked out well. So my goal is 30 pieces by the end of the year. So I'll be good. I could do 2 pieces a month, and I should be fine to complete the goal of 30 pieces. And I plan on being in all of my collabs. The collabs give you an option of bowing out for 1 month if things get busy for you, if you don't think you can make it for whatever reason. And I'm considering it for the month of August because I'm tired. I'm tired of this quarantine. I'm tired of people, even though I'm not even seeing people. I'm tired of Facebook is what I'm tired of. But I'm tired. I'm a little weary, and maybe I need a break. Maybe I need to take that relax for the month of July and implement it in the month of August. And so I'm still contemplating whether or not to take a break on these 3 show us your sheet load, the 6x6, and the jewelry collab. But I'll let you folks know that are heading up the collab whether or not I'm going to do that. Let's see, there's a fly around. So for the goals collab, everything's going fine with that so far. The word for the month of August is going to be prepare. What does that mean, prepare? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months to go. August is usually a month that we're all kind of, the lazy days of summer. Everybody's taking a little bit of vacation if they can, or taking some sort of break if they can, or some people towards the end of August, they get ready for September, for the start of school. Everybody's a little bit up in the air, not sure what we're going to be doing with school. But then that means basically once August is over, as slow going as the month is, it's going to be over before you know it. Then that means there's 4 months left to the year. And what happens in those next 4 months? Everybody's gearing up for school and getting into the routine of school in September. Some people may be going back to the office in September. October, what happens in October? What does happen in October? Everybody's getting ready for the winter months and the fall months, and who knows if homecoming is going to happen? What's going to happen with Halloween? Then there's November, and there's the Thanksgiving holiday. Again, everything looks different this year than it has in many years before, but I believe in planning for the way you would normally plan for the coming months. And you know, as things change, you adapt. But that's what prepare is all about, and that's why I've been going through these various goals and calculating, you know, the months that I have coming up, and you know what I have to do in the next few months to get to what my intended goal is. So that's what prepare is about. What does prepare mean to you? What is the next 5 months going to look like for you? What are you doing in August and September? And then what is October, November, and December do you think it's going to look like? And how do you prepare? So leave a comment below and let me know about how you prepare for the coming months and what your plans are. I wanted to do a couple of more collabs or hops, and I signed up for the Inkspire hop with Courtney Krieber and Handmade Happiness. And in July, I did that hop, so I have one of my collabs, extra collabs done, and I did a tutorial in that hop. I'll put a link in here if I can to that so that you can check out the tutorial. Let's keep going. So I have one more hop to do for the year, and I think I have enough time to do that. I could start my own hop, or I could join another hop or collab that's going on, and I think I should be fine with that. For premieres, I need to go through my YouTube channel and just double check if I can figure out what the premieres are that I've done. And I did premiere the Inkspire video, so that's done. And out of the 6 I want to do, I've done 2. I've done 4 lives out of the 6 I wanted to do. So I have time, well, I have to do a premiere a month, basically, or to get up to the 6, since I've done 2 so far for the entire year. And for the lives, I just need to do 2 more. I have lots of destashing I need to do. I have dies that I want to destash, and some other things, a bunch of other things that I've squirreled away that I want to destash as well, so I might be doing those as lives. For videos, I did 6 videos in the month of July, and that leaves me with 49 videos for the year out of the 75 that I want to do. So how many is that? Gotta do my math. I don't know. So let's say I have 50. I have 26 videos that I have to do between the next 5 months. If I do 5 videos a month, that should be good. So I think I'm pretty much all set with that. Now, in terms of my subbies for my YouTube channel, my blog, and my Instagram, I'm still working at it, but I'm pretty confident that I'm not going to make the first 2 for sure. So I want to increase my subbies on my YouTube channel by 1,000, and to get that done, I calculated in June, that I would, at the end of June, that I would need 160 new subbies a month between June and December to be able to get that 1,000 subscribers. So that's not going to happen. I got 36 by the end of June, and as of July, I have a total of 69 out of the 1,000. And yeah. So that means my average is going to increase. So I'll need more than 160 a month, probably 175 a month. Or maybe even more, I didn't do the math, I'll be honest, to get to that 1,000. But I'm going to still keep going for it. I'm going to try and think of things and try to be proactive in my approach. And, you know, we'll see what happens. Let's say for the blog, yeah, I didn't get that many more for my blog. for the month of July. So, in fact, only one more person subscribed to my blog for the month of July. So, you know, maybe I can get to 100 for, not 100, 50 maybe for the blog by the end of the year, but probably I'm not going to get to 100. I'll keep trying, but I don't think I'm going to get to 100. I just have to keep exploring options, and let's see how I progress. I don't know what to say about this. My mind is working. I'm always thinking about it, but you know, it's a process. I work full time. Let's see. For Instagram, I think I might be able to do 100. I have 38 followers. I want to get to 100, and I think I can get. I think I can get to 100 on Instagram. I'm posting more often on Instagram. I'm following people. I'm trying. It's pretty. I think I might be able to do it. Let's see. So if I have 38, I'll need 62 more between August and December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 62. God help us all. I have to do some math. 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. I don't know. I gotta get that many more by the end of December. I don't want to do math on paper in front of you. So for my spend, for my Stash Buster goals, for my spend, at the end of my first 6 months, I had spent $855, and I wanted to keep my spend down between June and December to under $500. That's going to be a challenge, but I don't think it'll be a totally difficult challenge because, well, who knows? But so I spent $298.19 in July. This was mostly on Copics that I purchased. I went to Dick Blick and I bought a bunch of Copics and a bunch of refills. I signed up for a watercolor class with Lindsay Wyrick, which was only about $25. I signed up for, I bought Barb Owens. This is Barb Owens. She has a channel called howtogетcreative.com, and I bought her Mandala Madness card deck. These are inspiration cards, and she does a series on her YouTube channel, and she has her own website where she does a series and she shows you how to make mandalas. And these are just inspiration cards to make mandalas. Those are her designs. These are some quotes. And yeah, with the purchase of the deck, and she had a sale in July, which is over now. With the purchase of this deck, you get a course, a printed course, and some videos. So I signed up for that. I made some purchases at Quality Crafts. I really needed some of this. I thought I had some, but I didn't, and I needed some of this. Tack it over and over because I'm unmounting a lot of my stamps. And I got this stamp set, or this woodblock stamp from Stampin' Up, which is like a lace pattern. Got a couple of other things. Got some tiny keys. I had an intention for this, but I forget what I forget what. I got some gems. I got some clear enamel dots. I got some foil mates to go with my mink foiling machine that I bought probably over a year ago, and still haven't used. So that's what I purchased. For my magazine kits and projects, that's a big nothing happened with those. For Declutter, Destash, and Donate, I haven't done anything with that for the month of July. For Mixed Media Play, I did my watercolor crayons project, and that was the Inkspire Hop. That's the video that I'll link. Maybe I'll link it at the end of this video. For getaways, I'm in a deficit, not getaways, giveaways. I'm in a deficit for giveaways. I'm supposed to be doing a monthly giveaway, and I'm in a deficit. Now I'm at -4. But the good news is I have packages filled with stuff. I have 3 packages so far. I need to do another package, number 4, filled with items to get ready to do the giveaway. And all I need to do is do the video, pick the names, and send them out. So the battle is almost won with that. I'm pretty confident. Let's see. For tutorials, I want to give 6 tutorials. I did a tutorial with the watercolor crayons one, so I am at, what am I at? I've done 2, 3, 4. I've done 4 so far on the tutorials, and I just need to do 2 more, so that's doable. Miscellaneous, I don't remember what the other ones was. So let's see. For take classes, I didn't complete any classes in June or July, but I did sign up for some more classes. I signed up for the Lindsay Weirick class and for the Mandala Madness, so that's another class. So I have to do basically a class a month to make sure I hit that goal of 6. So that's going to be a challenge. That's going to be one big spicy meatball challenge to meet. So what do you think about that? What do you think about goals and the possibility of not meeting goals? What do you think about that? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you think goals should be lofty? Do you think they should be something that you set that might be just short of attainable, or should they be totally attainable without too much stress or challenge? Are the goals black and white? Or are there shades of gray in there somewhere? Tell me what you think about the whole goal process, and how do you prepare to meet whatever your goals are. Thanks so much for stopping by and listening to me rant on and on about this. I really appreciate it, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, and definitely ring the bell. Leave a thumbs up because it always helps, and I love hearing from you, so definitely leave a comment for me. Thanks, everybody. Bye!